Just moving on to the next slide. So I did touch on earlier, where is the real value when you're using the technology. I think one of the key areas is around real-time analytics. So this is where you're harnessing the information from the processes, but also coming from your operations side and presenting in a way that is role-based and specific to that particular person and what they need to see in a very effective way. And also presenting in a way that I can navigate through to the detail if I wish to. So, highlighting where there's issues or highlighting where I need to have some more focus and drill down. So using the Fiori technology, as you can see here, I've got a pre-configured dashboard specifically around operational performance cockpit. Number of key performance indicators there, for example, machine breakdowns. Clearly a critical area of focus for any manufacturing or organization, or in fact any asset-intensive organization, is the performance of their assets and their duties. So, if I was to see the increase in breakdowns in that particular area, it's something that I'd obviously be interested in analysing more. It's immediately visible to me, and therefore I can make a decision around what I should do next. Similarly, around things like component shortage, again, identifies where I've got a risk or a concern, and I can do something about it in a very rapid fashion. As you can see across the top of the screen, there's a number of other dashboards in the solution, and all of these are very focused around the sort of KPIs that are typical to any manufacturing organisation. And we can have this sort of system up and running as part of the initiate phase of a project to demonstrate the value that can be realised, but also ask the question about, okay, what else do you need us to show? And that really facilitates the agile methodology that's underpinning the class template and drives the program in a really proactive way to get the value you're looking for.